All right, amazing morning, Team Optimist. Again, tonight's topic is what to do after joining. So let me go ahead and call our speaker tonight. She's a teacher by profession from Davao. No, so Bisaya like me. From Davao yung ating speaker originally. So nasa San Antonio, Texas siya dito sa USA. So she's one of our rising star na leader and mentor and founding the team Maximum. So let's give it up for our mentor, Marilu White. All yours, Mens.
Amazing morning, everyone. Amazing morning, mentors. So, hindi ko na po patatagalin. Mag-start na po tayo. Okay, let me share. I'm Mary Lou White po pala, and founder of Team Optimist. And I'm going to discuss today about the key steps to start the business right on here in I Am Worldwide. And let me share the screen. Let me start from the beginning. Okay. Here, it's I Am Worldwide Manual 3.0. So this is the one I'm gonna discuss. Manual 3.0. What to do after joining. So starting the business right. So it says, saying here, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So this encourages us to take the first step, regardless of our current skill level. We don't need to be perfect or highly skilled to begin something new. Just start, even if you feel unsure or not ready. When we start doing something, we learn and get better through the experience. Type experience in our chat box below if you agree. All right. So each step of our experiences, it teaches us something new and help us improve our abilities and become better at what we do. When we become better and we will achieve the greatness and excellence that we want, but it doesn't happen overnight, right? Greatness is achieved through consistent effort and learning. So madaling salita, itong kasabihan na you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Ito'y nagpapaalala sa atin na ang pagsisimula ang susi sa pagbuti. Huwag hayaan na ang takot or don't let fear of not being good enough to stop you. If you want to start the business, do it. Here in I Am Worldwide, we will learn as we go. So it's a journey. We have mentors like Mentor Janice and more mentors here in Team Optimist and our business partners to go with us along the way. Our top 1 mentors, Diamond Elite Executive Mentors, they were once a beginner here in network marketing. And as they go along, they learn and become great and expert on the business that we are in right now. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. So let's apply the idea of our learnings and goals. So here, we will learn the key steps of doing the business right. One here are the personal development, and we go along, we will also learn business development and the do's and don'ts on our business. So personal development, we will have to be empty cup, GLLA, good learning, listening, and lecturing attitude. Excuse me. Sorry. Yes, mentor, and learn the business fast. So empty cup, kailangan lang po nating palaging maging bukas sa pagkatuto ng mga bagong bagay. So, empty cup, hindi po ito literal ha, it's a metaphor. So, we have to learn. We have to learn new things. Maging open po tayo, open-minded po tayo na matuto sa bagay. Kung magaling po kayo sa trabaho nyo, sa employment natin ngayon, ibahin po natin dito sa I Am Worldwide. Kasi po iba po ang matutunan natin dito. Kahit 'wag po tayong, maging attitude ng AKNY as, "Alam ko na 'yan." 'Cause as we go, the mentorings, 'wag na nating sabihin na paulit-ulit na lang ang topic. Pero po 'pag kahit po paulit-ulit po ang topic, iba-iba naman po ang mga mentors natin, iba-iba po ang matututunan natin. So, it's so good po na mag-attend po tayo ng mga mentorings, gatherings para po marami po tayong matutunan, learn new things. GLLA, GLLLA, Good Learning and Listening and Lecturing Attitude. So dito po i-develop po natin yung mga good learning habits po natin. So kung kailangan po nating makibahagi sa pagtuturo, kinakailangan, yes po, gawin po natin. Mag-share po tayo, mag-listen kung meron sa mga mentoring, ma-attend sa mentoring. It's so good po na magkaroon po tayo ng development sa learning habits. Dito naman po, yes mentor. Pag sabihin po natin na ang mentors, sabihin niya, "Oh, ikaw na ready ka na mag-business presentation." Mag-yes po tayo kasi po mabe-bless po tayo, matututo tayo mula sa ating ginawang pag-yes mentor. So, 'wag po nating kalimutan, yes mentor, mentor attitude. 'Pag sinabi na po natin ng ating mentor Janice or sino man po yung founder ninyo na, "Oh, ready ka na mag-IPP, go ahead and say yes mentor." 'Wag po nating kalimutan 'yan. And learn the business fast. So learn and share the fastest way as you can. As we go along with the mentorings, we will learn that more. And power of now. Let's start it po. And save notes. Just like what yesterday Mentor Janice showed us the notebook. So kailangan po natin may notebook na sariling I Am Worldwide para po isave natin yung mga notes na natutunan natin sa mentorings po natin. And then ink is better than think. Then isulat po natin doon sa I Am Worldwide notebook natin ang mga natutunan natin. So IBP, oh, this one po kailangan po natin matutunan yung IBP, yung business presentation. Maghingi ka lang po sa mentor niyo ng PowerPoint and then practice that one. As you go along, matututunan niyo po yung IBP. Trainings, attend the trainings and mentorings. Ito po lagi natin ginagawa sa Team Optimist, di ba? We are so glad that we have Mentor Janice doing the business and mentoring. And so, as new mentors, kailangan po natin matutun mag-mentorings, trainings. Di po ba? And then read Law of Leverage book. At nabanggit po ni Mentor Janice to na merong mabibili na book doon sa office. Punta ka lang sa office ng main office natin, hindi hingi, bibili ka pala ng book. Meron sila yan, Law of Leverage. And then read about that. Be active in your group chat and company group activities. So, active po tayo. I know mostly of the Team Optimists are so active in the group. So, chat po kayo basta related po sa business na ating I Am Worldwide. And then here's another what to do after joining the business. First set of goals. So, kailangan po tayong may goals. 8 goals. This is like the business development, like learn and share. The first one is make sure you're an executive account holder, be a mover, be a movie maker, third direct referral, fourth direct referral, non-stop DR and mentoring, hit Sapphire rank, hit team and company incentives. So ano po ba yung mga executive account? Yun yung gold, platinum, and jade. So halimbawa po na bronze ka, or the lowest one, copper, bronze and copper ka, it's much better po na mag-upgrade po tayo ng executive count kasi po nandoon po yung mga malalaking bonus. Goal po natin yun, isang goal po natin. So either you rank up or cash upgrade. And be a mover. How to do a mover? You just have to have two directs, sa left and right. Halimbawa po pag jade, i-aim nyo po yung jade and platinum din na package para sa left and right. And the rest, hindi po siya available dito sa jade. Sa platinum naman, sa the same two directs, sa left and right, kailangan jade, platinum, and gold. Lagay ko lang itong highlights. Okay. Oops. So gold naman, ito jade, platinum, gold, and silver, and bronze. So pwede po yan sila except for sa copper. Hindi po natin kailangan ang copper para mag mover. Pero sa silver, bronze, and copper, pwede po lahat ng available po lahat yung mga packages. Pwede ka mag-mover niyan. Basta direct lang sa left and right. And then the third one, be a movie maker. So pag movie maker, kailangan nyo pong tulungan yung directs nyo, maging mover din. Kasi tulungan tayo dito. Paano mo sila tutulungan? Turuan nyo po sila kung paano maging movie maker. So halimbawa, gold siya, aim mo na magkaroon ng direct referral sa left and right. And then third direct referral. Pag first, second, and third direct referral, kailangan po natin i-goal yan para ma-activate po yung infinity bonus. And fourth direct referral, same thing, direct ka ng 4. Pag 4 po kasi, may possible na makakuha ka ng just for you bonus. Aim po natin yan. And then, aim natin na non-stop direct referral and mentoring. So, direct po tayo ng direct para meron po tayong quantity first before quality. Kasi po, ang main goal natin is to make a big group. And then the 7th, hit Sapphire rank and so on. So hit po natin ng Sapphire to have a passive income. If a higher rank possible, pwede po, gawin po natin. And then, number 8, hit team and company incentives. So, goal din po natin yung makakuha ng mga incentives. Halimbawa na lang ang ating mentor Maribel and mentor Maribeth, they hit the company incentives na to Hong Kong. So, maging inspiration po natin sila. And then, here is the do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts, example yung invitation, inviting, sa mga approach natin, scheduling, yung presentation po natin, closing. Okay? So, ang main goal natin here, long-term actually, is to build a solid team. So, i-focus po natin yung warm network first. Ano po ba yung mga warm network? Yung warm network, yun po yung mga close friends natin or family. So, kasi po, na-establish na po yung trust. So, unahin po natin silang i-invite. And then after that, you can do the cold network. Inviting. There's a lot of different types of inviting. A different approach in inviting as your prospects. So, pag nasulat na yun na po sa notebook yung mga prospects ninyo, list of prospects sa notebook ng Emerald Guide, here na po, kailangan po nating matutunan yung paano mag-approach. So, meron tayong business owner approach, product or health approach, employee approach, or third-party approach. Meron tayong binibigyan po tayo nito ng mga examples kung halimbawa sa business owner approach. Be straight to the point. Meron tayong halimbawa dito, scenario number 1, example. Example lang po 'to ha, but it's depends on you kung paano niyo po, mag-approach. But this one, they're giving us how to approach. Example scenario number 1, like tumawag ka sa friend mo, "Hey, you, bro, familiar ka ba sa I Am Worldwide?" Tapos sabihin ng prospects mo, "Ano yun?" And then you would say, "Yung nasa Itbulaga, yung ini-endorse nila Manny." Sabi ng prospect mo, "Hindi pa, ano meron?" And then you would say, okay bro, actually nakita ko din sa internet, nag-interest kasi maganda ang kitaan." Do'n mo na ipasok yung mga conversation na ipakita mo yung pictures ng ambassadors, i-insert mo na yung I Am Worldwide Barley, yung kay Maritoni, pakita mo yung mga picture until you will get to that, business. And then scenario number 3, example, "Bro, tawagan mo naman siya." Kasi 'pag tawag kasi mas maganda kaysa text. Meron siyang emotional connection, or yes, yung may connection talaga, mafi-feel mo yun 'pag tumawag ka or personal kaysa sa text. So tawag ka, "Hey bro, kumusta?" "Okey naman bro, ikaw ba?" Then you would say, "Okay na okay bro, ito adjusting sa pandemic. Actually bro, kaya ako napa-message sa'yo kasi baka lang magka-interest ka. Nagdadalawang isip nga ako kasi baka hindi mo naman kailangan, kaso baka makatulong sa'yo." Then the prospect would say, ano yun bro?" Then you would say, send pictures again just like earlier. I-insert mo yung mga pictures, like na pictures ng ambassadors, and then Maritoni Fernandez, sa Heart Evangelista, Piolo Pascual. Doon ano mo yung mga conversation na, start yung conversation and so on. Number 3, eto usually tinatanong nila, example lang, "Hello bro, may pinakilala ka namang I Am Worldwide. Ano ba yan, is it networking?" Usually ito ang sinasabi nila. But when they ask you about that, sabihin mo, "Yes bro, pero iba ito, iba talaga ang I Am Worldwide sa ibang network." Kasi usually yung iba kasi alam na nila yung MLM. But so sabihin mo na iba ang I Am Worldwide. Pakita mo sila Manny Pacquiao, si Heart Evangelista, actually ang very known is si Maritoni Fernandez. Yung Maritoni Fernandez, I Am Worldwide Barley from Maritoni Fernandez. Ito, kahit siya gumagawa yung I Am Worldwide, isa na nga siyang Diamond Elite Executive. So, i-ano mo siya, pakilala mo, then go on as more conversation. And then, be straight to the point again, product or health approach. Ito naman, halimbawa, tawag ka uli sa friend mo, "Hey bro, familiar ka ba sa Barley?" And then prospect, "Hindi pa sis, ano yun?" Then dito mo napakilala, okay sis, yung inuunom nila Piolo, Pascual, and Heart." Then you build in conversation. Always end up with a question. Be the product of your own product. Share testimonials about our amazing products because testimony sells. So shares mo yung mga pictures ni Maritoni Fernandez, Heart Evangelista, Piolo. So ngayon, powerful na talaga ang social media eh. O, tingnan mo yung, i-share mo yung, marami na kasing followers si Heart eh. So, i-share mo yung si Heart Evangelista, mismo siya gumagamit ng, consumer siya ng barley. So, pakita mo yun and then share mo yung mga testimony mo kasi usually testimony talaga, tinatanong nga ako minsan ng friend ko, "Do you have any testimony?" Kasi lalo na sa ibang lahi, sabihin ng mga friend ko, "Do you have English version testimony?" Kasi yung ibang lahi hindi nila maintindihan yung Tagalog. So, as possible, meron ka, handa ka yung mga testimony mo. So, basta 'pag testimony mo rin yung experience mo sa nagawa ng Barley sa'yo, it will help. And then here, employee approach. Here, employee approach, 'pag employee, mostly ano na yan sila, minsan ang iba stable income kasi may mga employment na good benefits na. So sometimes they don't need something big, But if you say extra income, they will say, sino ba naman ang ayaw ng extra income, 'di ba? So, just like this example, "Hey bro, may bagong racket ako ngayon. May bago akong pinagkakaabalahan, maganda siya. may nakita kong pagkakitaan, naghahanap ako ng mga kasama. Online ito, sobrang simple lang. Baka gusto mo i-check, wala namang mawawala sa'yo, sayang din. So, baka ano yan, ano talaga yan sila, pag extra income yung ibibigay mong dahilan. They will get into this. Basta lang po, wag po na yung gawin yung kidnap approach. Yung kidnap approach yung dalhin mo lang siya bigla sa isang restaurant, you don't even give heads up kung ano pala, meron palang business presentation na gagawin. So, kailangan ano mo siya, wag mo yung gawin. Kailangan sabihin mo na may presentation ka. Tapos, wag mong gagawin yung kidnap approach. Okay? Ito rin, third party approach. Isa din to. Isa to sa pag-introduce mo sa isang business natin, but hindi mo i-direct sa kanya. Kasi merong mga tao ayaw nila direct na binibentahan. So halimbawa lang nito, hey bro, may vacuum racket ako. Baka lang may kakilala ka naghahanap ng pagkakitaan. Sabihin ko lang mo lang ako So hindi mo i-direct sa kanya. Sabihin mo lang baka meron kang kakilala. And then another way is, bro, may online business kasi ako ngayon. Habang nasa work ako or nasa bahay, pwede gawin. Baka lang makakilala ka naghahanap ng opportunity ngayon, bro. Pwede mo ba ako i-refer? Salamat. So, meron yung pwede mo ba ako i-refer? So, baka nga may kakilala siya. So, bibigyan ka niya. Or, either way, siya na mismo ang maging mai-intriga sa offer. So, yun na. Meron tayong scheduling. Scheduling is very important po. Lalo na po dito sa US, time is very important. Time is gold here in the US. Hindi po sinasayang ang oras dito. It's so valuable. Kaya kailangan po natin ng scheduling. Hindi lamang po dito, di ba, sa US. And then sa Pilipinas po, scheduling. Kahit po naman po bata pa, marunong na po mag-schedule. And we are all matured already and we're old already to know this scheduling. So we have to do this. So schedule at least 1 to 2 days. So isulat natin doon sa yung mga prospect natin, and then message format, full name, background, date and time, venue, idea. So confirm a day and on the day before the meeting. Don't forget this. No confirmation means canceled. So lahat na po yan, di ba? Schedule. And an immediate schedule is only case-to-case basis. So don't do that po. But so, yeah, we have to do schedule at least 1 to 2 days. So heads up po, di ba? Maganda po yun. Official, kung after that, meron na po tayong rough draft, of course, meron tayong official schedules. So know your official IBP and training schedules. Halimbawa, sulat natin what and when and where, di ba? Yung what is the I am business presentation. And when I am Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, 4 p.m. time, Philippine time. And then in Middle East example, Monday to Saturdays at 11 p.m. time. So, na po, official na po yan. And then, I am training Monday to Saturdays at 8 p.m. So, always be present. That's po, halimbawa po to ng ating official schedule. Screenshots nyo lang po. But, lahat po naman, alam naman natin to, di ba? Basta, may what, when, and where tayo sa official schedule natin. And then here is the do's and don'ts. So you have to do invite on a neutral ground. And then, like example po sa coffee shop. So effective po ang coffee shop kasi po tahimik, walang distraction. Basta ang location lang po is on the location of the table is in the corner and seating arrangement. So this is an example of it. And then offline, don't do never at prospect's home or any territorial ground. Actually, this is case-to-case basis then. Kasi never at prospect house. especially if there's distractions, may mga kasama, like example, my kids, and but ko kasi na ano ako sa bahay ko, but less distraction. So, effective din yun. Basta wala silang mga kasama, walang mga distraction, okay naman. But, suggested po, never at prospects home or never also at restaurants. So, case-to-case basis. Basta po, yun lang po ang ano natin, alalahanin na no distraction or less distraction. And then, meron tayong ABC rule, T-up. So, i-T-up po natin yung mentor natin sa ating prospects. Halimbawa lang ha, example, alam mo ba yung nagdi-discuss sa'yo si Mentor Marlon? 25 years old lang yun. Pero kung kumita, milyon. Once mentor arrives, introduce him to your prospects right away. Ma'am, siya po pala yung kinikwento ko sa'yo kanina si Mentor Marlon. So, yun na, introduction na, and then you go as you go along IBP. Pero example din, like example, si Mentor Janice, meron kang prospects tapos hindi ka pa marunong mag-IBP. So, si Mentor Janice ang ipa-present mo. So, kakilala mo, sabihin mo, si Mentor Janice pala yung mentor namin, angel mentor ko. She already have a big team. So, under her team too, they also organize team also. Team Optimist at marami pa yung nabubuo na mga grupo niya. And then, not only that, she is also car achiever sa I Am Worldwide and meron ding mga incentives na tatanggap sa I Am Worldwide. So, siya na ang mag-IBP. So, yun na yun. Diba? Also, for example naman, si Mentor Maribet. Kung under ni Mentor Maribet, and tapos hindi ka pa marunong mag-IBP, ganun din, i-tee up mo rin. Pakilala ko sa'yo na hindi pa ako mag-IBP pero si Mentor Maribet na ang mag-present. Siya pala yung Ruby Elite Executive sa I Am Worldwide. At malaki na rin yung team na buo niya. So yun, introduce mo siya sa ano mo. Same din ka, Mentor. Like example, Mentor Dennis din. Pakilala mo, tee up. Si Mentor Dennis pala, siya na yung team founder ng Team Audacious. Malaki na rin ang grupo niya. Ganon. Siya na muna ang mag-IPP kasi hindi pa ako marunong. Sige, siya and then go on na. Sa go on siya na mag-IPP. So, yun pag-tee up mo. And then, don't do it in front of your mentor. Okay. So, hindi pa dumating yung mentor, inano mo na siya. Tee up mo na yun sa prospects mo. And then, tee up the prospect in front of your mentor. So, yun na nga. Don't do it like in front. So, habang kayo nag-uusap, tee up mo na yun before pa the presentation. And then, here is the Zoom and offline presentation. Sa do and don'ts. Sa do, ano ko yung mga do. Set up an home office. Turn on your camera. Always mute your mic. Be active on chat when the speaker asks and answer and agree. Listen and focus. So, usually, I know the Team Optimists already know this. Sa mga nag-a-attend ng Zoom meeting, they already all know what to do in this. But sa yung mga baguhan, here is the given do on the business, especially in Zoom. And then, yung mga don'ts, here, huwag humiga at kung ano-anong ginagawa. Don't eat during the presentation. Don't leave during the presentation. Don't use your phone while mentor is presenting. Don't ask your questions while your mentor is presenting. So, yung mga don't. Ano yun, yung mga guidance po natin to. Closing. Ito, critical part. So, ang pag-closing po, pag nag-IBP tayo, kailangan po teamwork. Hindi lang po, even though you're not the one who do the IBP presentation, kailangan nyo po tulungan yung mentor ninyo mag-close sa prospect nyo. Kasi, pag kakilala nyo ang prospect nyo, the more siya magtitiwala sa'yo . even though yung mentor mo ang nag-present, but you have to help her to close para po may PNs, di ba? And then closing tips, guidance here is be confident. You have the key to get their dreams. Let them feel there's nothing to lose and something to gain. Tutulungan versus pipirahan mindset. So, guidelines po natin yan. Ang main goal natin is on the spot. So, on the spot po ang PN. Yun po ang goal natin. So, ito po mga guidelines ng don't do this. Don't let your mentor close it alone as she or will already seem pushy. Don't assure the prospects that income is guaranteed. Income will depend on the effort. And so on. So, yeah, guidelines po natin. Screenshots po natin to as much as possible para may copy po tayo. Sulat natin sa notebooks natin. Okay, reminder, guidelines again, be confident. You have the key to get their dreams. Let them feel this, nothing to lose and something to gain. Tutulungan mindset, okay? And then we have the closing tips sa schedule. Scheduling po, cut off. So may cut off sa'yo Monday. Pwede ka mag-refer agad pagdating ng cut off. May income ka na. Okay, yeah, this is true. If you refer a person, may direct referral ka, may income ka na agad. Then, slot reservation. Sir, pwede tayo mag-reserve ng slot para ikaw mauna, yung susunod na ma-refer ko under mo na. Oh, yeah, this is true. Pag ma-refer ka na ng slot, tapos meron ka ng position kasi one account policy, di ba? So, pag na-positioning ka na, yung under na na-refer mo, under na siya. Kung halimbawa, ikaw nag-refer ni, ikaw nagdala ka ng kakilala mo sa presentation, of course, sa'yo na siya under. And then, yung payment naman, pwede mong sabihin, pwede tayo credit card or PayPal, any easy way na of payment, pwede rin cash, di ba? Kung meron sila, kung yun lang. Kasi meron iba cash lang eh. So, i-offer mo yan as long as any payment na mabibigay nila. One account policy. Just like what I said earlier, one account policy tayo, possibility of spillover. So, i-offer mo yan. So, may mga spillover kasi may ibibigay. May points ka doon. And points is equal to money. Abono, case to case din to. If someone is already eager and potential, close friend, trusted people. So, meron kasi tayong mga friends iba eh, pag sabihin, uy, abunuhin mo muna, ikaw muna magbayad tapos bayaran ko lang. Like example, especially yung may mga credit card, cash lang meron siya. Tapos meron kang credit card. Swipe mo lang kung kakilala mo, close friend mo, kung pagkakatiwalaan mo, di ba? Abunuhan mo. Pero kung case to case basis lang. And then here in the encoding and spillover, once you already joined, paturo ka na agad sa mentor mo kung paano mag-encode. Yung mga spillover din. Paano mo sa mentor mo if you have to sit down next to her, do it so that you know how to do the encoding. So ask your mentor how to do encode is ASAP. Encoding should be extreme left and extreme right only. So first direct encoding should be on the spillover side and second direct encoding on the other side. Yes, left and right po yung mga pag-encode natin. So kasi pag marunong ka nang mag-encode, mas excited po. Kasi may excite ka mag more encoding, more pay-ins, more encode. Nakaka-excite po for promise. Spillovers are your responsibility, not just bonus. Help them. Connect and communicate. Okay po, encoding and spillover. Basta po, promise, encoding is exciting. So, that was already done. So just keep pushing and stay focused. Your hard work will pay off. This is Mary Lou White, your agent of hope, and I am worldwide. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you for the great presentation, Mentor Mary Lou. All right. May natutunan ba? For sure meron no? Ang ganda ng pagka-explain ni Mentor Mary Lou on Kung anong kailangan gawin after mo mag-join dito sa I Am Worldwide. All right, so give me 1 second. Okay. So meron po bang questions or need clarification dun sa in-explain ni Mentor Mary Lou? Easy to understand naman, di ba? Or meron bang questions? Mansita, may questions pa po? Ka po ba?
Wala.
Wala naman. Ayan. All right.
Nagpakinig lang ako.
Yes. Okay.
Maganda.
So, yes, ma'am. All right. So if no questions, let's go ahead and have a photo op real quick with Miss Mary Lou. So open your camera, mga mens. All right. So let's start with a speaker. Miss Mary Lou, 1, 2, 3. And again, sa ating mga new members, I'm sure alam niyo na yung ating hand sign. It means in God's perfect time. Hi, Miss Merlin. Thank you for opening your camera. Sino pa ang pwede makapag-open before we do the gallery picture? Okay na? All right, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let me just do something.